Alright, I'll see if I can sense the colors. Well, maybe done. And then my future. Let's go. Oh wait, if I read the colors, of course this. Sit there this whole time. Sorry guys. Woo! That better words. Oh, that took like a minute. That's so long. We can just do it in like 2 seconds. What are the numbers?
29, 24, 34.
So basically mix itself up. And then now it's gotta solve itself. Woo! Okay, you're good. Whoa. Okay, but watch, should be like one, like not solved. One. Whoa, whoa. Let's tilted. Oh god, and we are good. William, why do you scare me like this?
I don't.
Yeah, you do. I'm just kidding. The bot's scaring me. I'm bad bot. You solved this out yet? No.
17.
17 more moves, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to get closer. Okay. 14 moves. Do you think it can do it?
That's what it says.
Oh, but not close enough. Okay, I'm not too close. It's just cameras.
They let the two of you work together.
Yeah.
Yep.
And solve it.
Well, that's what we're trying to do.
That needs to go back. This needs to be rotated twice.
Aren't you smart? Smart. Oh no!
Stop.
No! No moves. Just kidding. Oh, you stopped it. And so close. You should try from there. Try from there. Try from there. Try from there. I'll just sit here and wait.
It needs to stay downward. How can we keep it to stay down? Any of his stuff?
What do we look for?
We need to keep it so it stays down when it goes, because when it goes, it's going up here. That's why it keeps missing.
We move
Wait a
the
second.
move everything down, kind of.
These can be replaced.
By
I'll
what?
get us those ones that actually no, I'll grab them. I want it to be a surprise to the camera.
You want me to turn this off?
Don't play with my stuff.
You want me to turn this off? Wow. I guess I'll leave it on just in case. You can do. Purple pen. Purple pen. It's been 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Nope, I got it wrong. No, I'm gonna turn it on because. Nope. Turn off. No, go. Back. Good back. Nope, turn off. You better turn off. Yeah, face down.
Figured it out.
Okay.
These.
These? What are these?
Those, so even if it does go too high, it'll push them off. Or it'll still push the cube.
Oh, right there?
Right here.
Oh, over here. Right?
These.
Oh, I see.
See, because it was just the ones that came out like this, but since they go down here, it
Fingers
won't go
away.
too high. It won't go too high.
Hello.
I might have gotten it to work. Not quite sure. Though.
Maybe.
Oh, the Rubik's Cube.
Solver.
Yep.
You should. Oh, second I thought you solved it.
Sweet. I could have, but I'm more worried about this. See, it works.
Good
Even
job.
better now. Now it shouldn't mess up on its turns and it'll
You're a
be more
smart
stable.
one. Oh! Redo.
What happened? Oh my gosh.
Can't see over there, so nobody over there. Nope, nobody over there.
It broke off because I caught it.
Why would you break it?
I didn't, it did.
Oh, whatever.
It's suicidal, I swear.
It doesn't like Rubik's Cubes.
Apparently not.
Obviously, it's not a soulmate. Our Rubik's Cube broke.
See you back.
Is that working? No.
Almost. I have complete faith in it.
I don't.
It's here. So we hit it because
But I'll
it's
keep
still
trying.
coming high and it just slipped on it like that.
Okay, so what we do? We take something. Put.
We need to put something down here. Like the
No, you see.
axle.
Just. Oh my God! Fine, never mind. You know what? You can do it. Try fun again. Nope. Okay. 7 minutes. Great.
They had a long enough.
All right. You go ahead and do that.
There. Now it should come up.
Should we just get a kit?
Huh?
Should we get?
No. We won't need that many pieces.
You know, so we don't have to walk back and forth.
Yeah, well, it's fun.
Because you might not trust me with your